Hello friends, today we're reviewing an exchange that has already made waves in the crypto world, BYDFi. This is a platform for those who value speed, simplicity, and maximum convenience. And to highlight its seriousness, BYDFi is a partner of Newcastle United Football Club, which immediately adds weight and trust. In this video, step by step we'll cover how to register and set up security, complete verification and fund your account, trade on spot and futures, launch bots, and work with MoonX. And the best part, by registering through our link in the description, you'll receive a bonus of up to 8,100 USDT, 1 month of VIP status, and direct support from the BYDFi team. Promo code CryptoPump. Ready? Then let's go. BYDFi is an international next-generation cryptocurrency platform, launched in 2020 and quickly gaining popularity. Its secret is simple: a convenient interface, high speed, and a well-designed structure with no clutter, only what traders truly need. BYDFi was built with comfort in mind. No overloaded menus, everything compact and intuitive, suitable even for those discovering crypto for the very first time. One of the key advantages is the ability to use most features without mandatory KYC. Verification is only required for higher limits and specific operations. This makes BYDFi comfortable for those who value privacy, while still allowing full functionality if desired. In terms of performance, BYDFi confidently competes with major exchanges. Orders execute instantly. Data updates smoothly. The system remains stable, even during high market volatility. BYDFi pays special attention to protecting funds, cold storage of assets, multi-level account protection, two-factor authentication, monitoring of suspicious activity, continuous development. The exchange is actively growing, adding new tools, expanding web and mobile capabilities, running promotions and bonus campaigns for new users. BYDFi combines simplicity, stability, and functionality. It's equally convenient for daily trading and long-term strategies, and its ongoing development makes the platform increasingly attractive to traders worldwide. Getting started with BYDFi takes literally 1 minute. The registration process is as simple and convenient as possible. Follow the link in the description under the video. This is our official partner link. Enter promo code CryptoPump to activate welcome bonuses of up to 8,100 USDT and get 1 month of VIP status. On the page that opens, choose how to create your account, via email or phone number. Enter your email or phone, create a secure password, and click Create Account. Confirm registration with the code sent to your email or SMS. After that, your account is ready. You'll immediately land in your personal dashboard, where you can set up security, top up your balance, open your first trade. The BYDFi interface is so simple that even complete beginners will have no trouble figuring it out. And don't forget, in the description under the video, you'll find useful links to help you grab extra bonuses and tools. After registration, the very first step is to enable the main security settings. This protects your account and funds. Hover over the profile icon in the top right corner and select Account and Security. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is a mandatory protection measure. Click Enable next to Google Authenticator. Install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Scan the QR code that appears on the screen. Enter the 6-digit code to confirm. Be sure to save the backup key. You'll need it if you lose access to your phone. Once 2FA is enabled, your account will be securely protected. Additionally, we recommend linking your mobile phone number for even greater security. BYDFi allows you to trade and use the main features without mandatory KYC. But if you need higher limits, faster withdrawals, full access to all platform features, it's better to complete identity verification. How to pass KYC. Hover over the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Identity Verification. Click Start. Choose your document type, passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document. Take a selfie, the system will automatically match the image. Enter your residential address and submit the application. Verification usually takes just a few minutes, after which your status changes to verified. What unlocks after KYC? Extended limits. Additional features. Faster withdrawals. Reminder: all the best exchanges, wallets, and services with exclusive bonuses are collected for you in the description under this video. That's your ready-made toolkit to start in crypto as profitably and safely as possible. After registration and security setup, you can top up your account. BYDFi supports 2 convenient deposit methods: cryptocurrency and online exchanges. The interface is extremely simple, so even beginners can figure it out quickly. Method 1, deposit with cryptocurrency. Perfect if you already own crypto. Hover over the wallet menu at the top. Select deposit. Choose the coin, for example USDT. Select the network, TRC20, ERC20, Arbitrum, BNB chain, or another. Copy the address provided by the system. Transfer funds from your wallet or another exchange. Important: the sending network must match the chosen deposit network. If they differ, funds will be lost. After blockchain confirmations, the cryptocurrency will automatically appear in your balance. Method 2. Deposit via exchanger. Ideal if you don't yet have crypto or want to pay directly with a bank card. Follow the link to the exchanger aggregator in the description under the video. In the left column, select your bank or payment system. In the right column, choose the cryptocurrency, for example USDT, TRC20. Pick an exchanger with a good rating and favorable rate. On the exchanger's site, paste your BYDFi deposit address. Complete the payment. Within a few minutes, the coins will arrive in your account. BYDFi's P2P marketplace isn't available in all countries, so for fiat deposits, it's better to use the trusted exchangers listed in the description. In the end, depositing funds on BYDFi takes just a few minutes and is accessible even to beginners. The key is to carefully select the correct network and use reliable exchanges. You can withdraw funds from BYDFi either in cryptocurrency or fiat via online exchangers. The process is completely identical to deposits, just in reverse. Spot trading is the simplest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency at the current or chosen price. The BYDFi interface is extremely clear, so even beginners can easily understand it. How to start? In the top menu, select Spot. The trading terminal will open. Find the trading pair you need. for example BTC, USDT, or any other coin from the list. At the bottom panel, 2 main order types are available. Market order, the trade is executed instantly at the current price, perfect for quick purchases. Limit order, you set the price at which you want to buy or sell the asset. Enter the amount or number of coins. Click buy or sell. Result. Once the order is executed, the coins immediately appear in your spot balance. You can withdraw them, exchange them, or use them in other sections of the platform. Futures are one of the key tools on BYDFi, allowing you to profit both from market rises and declines. Unlike spot trading, here you trade contracts instead of the actual coins. This gives access to leverage from 1 to 100x, long and short positions, more flexible strategies, and higher profit potential. BYDFi supports perpetual futures, and the interface remains simple and fast. Even beginners can easily understand it. How to trade futures. In the top menu, select futures. The terminal will open with a chart, order book, and trade management panel. Set your parameters. Trading pair, like BTC, USDT. Leverage, from 1 to 100x. Beginners are recommended to use 2 to 5x. Direction, long, if you expect the price to rise. Short, if you expect the price to fall. Order type, market, open at the current price. Limit, open at the price you set. Trade amount, enter the volume you want to allocate. Stop loss and take profit, essential for risk control. Stop loss protects against large losses. Take profit automatically locks in profits. Click open position. All active positions are displayed in the lower panel of the terminal. Here you can track P&L, profit loss, see the liquidation price, adjust stop loss and take profit, close positions fully or partially. Futures on BYDFi are a powerful tool for those who want to go beyond spot trading and use more advanced strategies. And if you want to learn investing and trading without complicated terms, join our Telegram channel. There we share practice, explain in simple language, and show real examples. The link is already waiting for you under the video. The copy trading section on BYDFi lets you connect to professional traders' strategies and automatically copy their trades. It's the perfect tool for beginners who want to earn without doing their own analysis, as well as for traders who prefer the simplest way to trade. How to start copy trading. In the top menu, select copy. 2 tabs are available. Top traders, a selection of strategies with the best metrics right now. All traders, the full list of available strategies. In the high ROI block, you'll see traders with the highest returns over the last 30 days. The list updates automatically. Each trader profile displays key indicators. ROI for the period, for example, 30 days. Maximum drawdown, P&L, trade frequency, number of followers, trading style. Trader profile. After selecting a trader, their profile opens with performance, ROI, and P&L for the chosen period. ROI and P&L charts. Main trading pairs like BTC, USDT. Position statistics, trade history, and volumes. How to start copying. Click the copy button. Enter the amount you want to allocate to the strategy. Confirm the connection. From then on, all new trades by the trader will be automatically mirrored in your account. BYDFi allows flexible risk management. Maximum trade size, loss limit, position count limit. Automatic stop copying in case of drawdown. You can at any time. Pause copying, close individual trades, adjust limits, disconnect completely from the trader. Copy trading on BYDFi is a convenient way to entrust trades to professionals while keeping full control over your risks and capital. Imagine having an assistant who monitors the market 24/7 and places trades for you. That's exactly how BYDFi's built-in trading bots work. They turn price fluctuations into profit and free you from constantly watching charts. Available bots. Spot Grid, buys on dips and sells on rises within a set range, works 24/7. Spot DCA, dollar cost averaging, regularly buys small portions of a coin, lowering the average entry price. Futures Grid, the same grid strategy but on futures, allowing you to profit both on growth and decline. Spot Martingale, increases purchase volume during dips to recover faster when the price bounces back. How to launch a bot. In the top menu, open trading bots. Choose a strategy, for example, Spot Grid. Select a trading pair, BTC, USDT, or any other. Configure parameters manually, range, levels, amount, or leave some settings by default. Click Create, and the bot starts working. What happens next? The bot automatically places orders, locks in profits, and shows statistics in your dashboard. At any time you can. Stop it. Adjust settings, withdraw profits, view detailed analytics. Trading bots on BYDFi are your personal autopilot in crypto. They work for you while you focus on other things. And if you want to dive deeper and understand all the nuances, join our private referral chat. There we share practice, break down real cases, and answer any questions in simple language. The link is already waiting for you under the video. Jump in and become part of the community. MoonX is a separate section inside BYDFi where you can buy and trade tokens directly through decentralized networks. In essence, it's a full DEX marketplace built right into the exchange. Access to meme coins, new listings, assets not yet available on centralized platforms. How to open MoonX. In the top menu, select MoonX, and you'll see an interface with several tabs. Watchlist, tokens you've added manually. New listings, fresh projects just hitting the market. Trends, coins currently attracting the most attention. Xstocks, 24H vol, DEX screener. Analytical collections to assess activity. For convenience, each asset is displayed with key metrics. Price, 24H change, rise, fall. Market capitalization, pair liquidity, number of transactions, trading volume, number of holders, security level, quick buy button, for example, instantly for 1/10 sol. MoonX transforms BYDFi into a hybrid platform. You get both a classic exchange and a built-in DEX for the freshest and riskiest assets. Perfect for those who want to stay one step ahead and catch trends before they hit centralized platforms. BYDFi is always at hand, thanks to its convenient app for iOS and Android, which fully mirrors the functionality of the web version. What's available in the app? Spot trading, futures, copy trading, trading bots, built-in MoonX DEX, deposits and withdrawals. Why it's convenient. Simple and fast interface. Everything opens without delays. Orders execute instantly. In just a couple of taps, you can check the market, open a trade, top up your balance, or stop a bot. Regular updates ensure stable performance and add new exchange features. The BYDFi mobile app turns your smartphone into a full-fledged trading terminal. You stay in control of the market, wherever you are. BYDFi uses a multi-level protection system to keep your funds and accounts safe. Main security elements: cold storage, 2FA, withdrawal confirmations, address protection, suspicious activity monitoring. How to increase security? Go to your profile, open the security center, enable additional protection measures, and configure withdrawal confirmations. BYDFi combines ease of use with professional-grade security, while extra settings let you personally control the level of protection for your account. BYDFi welcomes newcomers not just with registration, but with a real gift. By activating promo code CryptoPump, you can claim bonuses of up to 8,100 USDT, awarded as coupons and deposit rewards. The more actively you deposit, trade, and complete tasks, the more you earn. Share and earn. BYDFi turns friends into a source of income. Invite them with your referral link. They trade. You receive cashback and extra bonuses. Bonuses help you start with an advantage, while the referral program transforms your activity into a steady stream of rewards. Classic reminder, if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, now's the time. All links to our Telegram, top exchanges, and wallets are waiting for you under the video. BYDFi is more than just an exchange. It's a full ecosystem for working with crypto. User-friendly interface, fast trades, copy trading and trading bots, futures and the built-in MoonX DEX, reliable multi-level protection. The platform keeps evolving, adding new tools and strengthening security, remaining an excellent choice both for daily trading and long-term strategies. In the end, BYDFi covers all the traders' needs in one place and gives you the chance to grow together with the market. And to make sure you don't miss new guides, bonuses, and insights, hit like, subscribe, and check the description under the video. All the useful links are already there.